In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set email reminders for Google Calendar events if you want to make sure you never miss an important meeting, appointment, or deadline. Setting up email reminders in Google Calendar is a simple and effective option. This is especially helpful if you regularly check your inbox and want an extra reminder beyond the standard calendar alert. To get started, open Google Calendar on your computer. Once you're in your calendar, you can either select an event that already exists or create a brand new one, depending on what you need. If you're working with an existing event, just click on it to open the event preview. From there, choose the edit option by clicking the pencil icon. If you're creating a new event instead, go ahead and enter the event details as usual so you can access the full editing screen. Inside the event editor, look for the notifications section. This is where you control how and when Google Calendar reminds you about the event. By default, the reminder type may be set to notification, which usually means a pop-up or device alert. If your goal is to receive an email instead, click the first drop-down menu in that section and change it from notification to email. After that, choose when you want the email reminder to be sent. You can set the timing based on what works best for you, whether that's a few minutes before the event, several hours in advance, or even days or weeks ahead of time. This flexibility is useful because different events need different kinds of reminders. For example, a meeting later in the day might only need a short reminder, while a travel plan or deadline may be better with more advance notice. Once you've selected the reminder type and timing, click Save to apply the change. That's it. Your Google Calendar event will now send an email reminder according to the schedule you selected. As a quick tip, it's a good idea to double-check the event details before saving, especially the date, time, and reminder timing, so the email arrives when you actually need it. Also, if you use multiple calendars, make sure you're editing the correct event on the correct calendar. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to set email reminders for Google Calendar events, making it easier to stay organized and on top of your schedule.